Work really hard. But that's okay. You got it? Good job, right? Almost. Almost we are. Aim a little bit better, okay? Big scoop, ready? Hold the handle. Come over here. Oh, careful. All the way over here, sweetie.
Over there, Caleb.
Caleb, pour cat food. Come over here, sweetie. Okay, hold on. Let's take some of this up. You want to pour it in? Okay. Move some of this cat food out of the way.
Hey, can you help mommy pick it up, Caleb? Help mommy pick it up.
He's like, what?
I want to pour the cat food, mommy.
I know.
Uh-oh. Someone's about to wake up.
I know. I can hear her huffing and chuffing. This is my life. This is my life. Okay, ready? Come over here. Pour it in. Pour it in here, son.
It's okay, it's okay.